travelers. Today we're at the Kennedy Space Center. So much to visit, so much to do, so lift off, let's go. We're at the Kennedy Space Center. One of the most things to watch is the Atlantis, but before we go in, you gotta make sure you do the tour bus. The tour bus is gonna take you to the platforms, gives you so much information. You get to see other rockets. There's so much to do, so make sure you plan some time to get the tour bus before you plan on seeing the Atlantis. So much to do here. The place is amazing. We did get lucky today. No big lines today on the tour bus. We've been here before, and sometimes an hour and a half with this rigid heat. So make sure you try to check not come during very busy times. Otherwise, expect very long lines on this heat, but very well worth it. Definitely, there's a lot of places to come and do a little great shopping. Some great items you're going to find here at the NASA store. Also great tip though, it's usually very hot outside, so come in here and cool down for a little bit. It's definitely gonna help you a lot, believe me. Let's go see what else we can find.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. On behalf of NASA, I'd like to welcome you aboard. Commercial partnership.
We just finished doing the tour bus around all the platforms at Kennedy Space Center. You get to see all the shuttle launch, all the platforms that Kennedy Space Center has. This tour lasts about 45 minutes, has a lot of videos, very well explained. Then we're here at the Apollo Saturn Center. You get to see a little pre-show. It's actually pretty nice. Then you get to see the actual rocket. It's massive, impressive. So take in mind, make sure you do the shuttle tour. It does take about 45 minutes, but there's a lot of great information you really like to know about all the shuttle programs. So make sure you do it and never miss this part with the Apollo shuttle area. You're gonna like it. Let's go see more. So we just finished watching the intro to the shuttle launch, and once you come out to the actual station, you're gonna watch it. It's pretty breathtaking. Let me show you. Is massive. You gotta take a look at this size of this thing. We're like this size out. I don't know if you can see how far this thing goes. Pretty intense. Check this out. Let's go explore some more. This place is amazing. I've been here many times. It's one of those places that I can come anytime. Just come here and stare at how massive, how amazing this thing is. It's just the gratitude and just to show everything is just quite mesmerizing, and just a quick reminder of how much it takes to create these massive items. And I've been here many times. I never get tired of coming back here anytime. It's a few places that I'll repeat coming back anytime. So here you have the actual Atlantis 8 rocket, and here you have little stores. You can go in there, little museums. You can actually see moon rocks from in there. So definitely worth every item. The trip out here, make sure you do it. This is exactly why. So let's walk outside. You'll see how the closest view to the rocket launch you can do from here. So let's go check it out. Just right outside the rocket viewer area, this is where the main, the closest viewing designated area to go see a rocket launch is. One thing I try to do when there was a rocket launch, I try to sneak in without a ticket for the special event. Okay, you can't do that, so they kick everybody else out, and only let the people in who do have a viewing ticket for this. It's not too expensive. It's like $25-$30. Definitely worth it. This is the closest viewing area you're going to see to a rocket launch. Definitely worth it. I was able to see it right outside. Many places you can see a rocket launch. It is amazing experience, even for those 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Totally worth the visit, totally worth the hours you're going to spend here. Would do it anytime again, and can't wait for the next time to do it again. But make sure you pre-buy the tickets for the shuttle launch. They come out, I believe, like 7 days before each shuttle launch. They release some specific dates in certain times, so make sure you're on looking out for those times and tickets for those shuttle launch. Let's go see some more. After the bus tour, we do save the best for last, which is the Atlantis tour. This place is amazing. Just what you see inside. There's also a ride inside too, so make sure don't miss out just on this Atlantis tour. It's quite amazing. Well worth your visit just to Kennedy Space Center, just for this, in my opinion. And of course the Apollo rocket, what we saw, but you're definitely gonna like here. Let's go check it out. On a busy day, come into the Atlantis shuttle. There is a little good tip. Instead of coming to the main door and doing the whole pre-show, you can actually go to the side and go to the bottom side and then go all the way up. But that's only if you're if it's a busy day. Today we should have no wait, so not a big problem today. So let's go in. So we're at the Atlantis Shuttle Expo or Pavilion. This place is amazing. Once you come and see the intro, really the videos and the pictures just don't do it justice to how amazing and how massive this place is. So this is one of the main highlights of coming to the Kennedy Space Center. This is a must. This place is beautiful and amazing. So there's a ride downstairs and other things you can do around here, but make sure you come and check this place out. It's massive and pretty impressive, I may say. Many great things to see here. Just look how downstairs you can do. Sadly, our time at the Kennedy Space Center has come to an end. We got here a little bit late and we missed on a few crucial things to do, like the Astronaut Hall of Fame, the IMAX. I really wanted to go into the IMAX. We got there a little bit late, weren't able to see it. Also, we missed the simulator inside the Atlantis, which I've done before, and it's a great simulator, as if you're going up to Mars, I believe, in a great simulator. But so many good things to see here. You do have to plan in advance. Some of these shows are every 30 minutes. But it's a beautiful day here. It's a beautiful park to come in, and so much learning, so much different perspectives you're going to be able to find here. Definitely worth the visit and worth every penny. Usually it's about $50 to get in. Go online, you get a discount, I believe, for like $42 directly on their website. But come and check it out. There's so much more to see. Hopefully we can see a few more things before they close. So until next time, I'll see you guys soon. We're heading back to Orlando.